So this is where things starts to get very interesting. So Automated Lab, which is the framework we'll be installing shortly, has changed my life on how I do anything with respect to automation, on creating test labs for testing any features, or testing Active Directory roles, or learning hacking in general, or for any other purposes you may think of. So let's get Automated Lab installed, and then we can see the capabilities of it in the subsequent lectures. So before I proceed, I like to install Chrome. That is one of my favorite browsers. I also like Firefox, but let me install Chrome before we proceed here. So just click download, and you can just run it here. Yeah, it shouldn't take too long, so just bear with me here before we get to the exciting stuff. Okay, Chrome is now installed. So let me go to just search for Automated Labs using this Chrome browser. I don't like to give links because things change a lot, and it is easier to just do a quick Google search and pick up the latest link. So you need to look for an MSI file to install on your Windows. So you can use right here, and 522 is the latest version. So I'm just going to grab this MSI file. It's a pretty simple install. So once it's downloaded, just try to install the program. You don't have to change anything. I would always do the complete installation. Okay, we did install, though it took only a couple of minutes. This is one of the programs that is going to help you in your learning journey to do a lot of Windows-based labs. So let's see what kind of folder structure it created for us. So if you go to the C drive over here, it created a lab sources folder. And if you look at here, they do have a lot of different folders. So there's a lot of sample scripts. So if I go back here, for different platforms, we can take a few and play with it. But again, do not worry about those scripts. So another important folder is the ISO files. So this is where you need to download your ISOs, like Windows 2019, Windows 2016, Windows 10. If you happen to have MSDN subscription, you can download it from there, and you can install. You can copy it to this folder. But just to keep it as simplistic, so that everyone can have access to what we're looking here, I'm going to be downloading Windows 2019. So Windows gives 2019 for free for I believe 90 days or 180 days. So again, that is a plenty of time to create these labs. And again, once the product expires or the license expires, you can always redo the lab, because you don't have to do anything manually once you know the process. So let me search for Windows 2019 and download in the next section. So I think so I will let you do these steps in your own labs, and we'll pick up right here when we get back together.